Hi, let's talk about Texting Factory application. If you are hearing about Texting Factory for the first time, Texting Factory is a chat moderation account just like Cloud Workers or e-moderators. If you also don't know what chat moderation is a job where you chat lonely men online. Before we begin with the application process, I must mention that Texting Factory, although hires from various countries in the world, it does not hire from Kenya. So if you go right now to their website and try to apply, you are going to see you are blocked from applying. However, in this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for a Texting Factory account even if you are in Kenya. But before we go into the application process, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find any value. So let's go straight into the application process and I'll be giving you all the details you need. Allowed to apply, you need three things. Number one, you need an anti-detect browser like Mologin. Two, you need a proxy. And three, you need US details. Let me talk about Mologin. This is the app Mologin Anti-Detect Browser. You'll just click here, download, and then you are going to add a proxy. You can buy a proxy from IP Royal. I'm going to leave a link to IP Royal and Mologin in the description, so you can just click and download the app and also buy a proxy from Mologin. This is how the Texting Factory website looks like. Keep in mind, I have been getting a few people in my DM saying that they are being asked to pay, I don't know, $26 and $16 to access this website, but that's not true. The real Texting Factory website does not ask for any payment to access. So that's probably is a third party website. So just go to Google and type textingfactory.com and come to this website. So to apply for the operator job, you need to come to click here, chat operator job, and this page will appear. Become a chat operator. Your job as a chat operator consists of answering messages on flirting website for adults. You will have chat conversations with clients about everyday life, dreams, and fantasies. So the steps is you're going to first do a quick registration. The application is handled within 24 hours. They are going then to verify your ID. There will be training, and that's how you start working. So now you're going to click here, go to application form. So the first thing you're going to do is fill your name. I remember I said that Texting Factory does not accept Kenyans and most African countries. I think in Africa they only accept South Africa. So if you are from anywhere else in Africa, you don't use your country's document, that is your ID or driving license. You need to have uh, international details like a USDL, a UKDL. So either you can get somebody to apply for you, somebody who is in these countries, or you can check how to acquire a DL on TikTok, or you can inbox me. I cannot go into details of how to acquire a DL. So if you want to know how you do that, just comment down, inbox me, not comment, or check on TikTok. You can find that information on TikTok. So now, so this application is for somebody called uh, and the second name is Edwards, and the email address is Makweta 0 at gmail.com. I'm applying for United States. Then I'm going to agree with the privacy policy and confirm that I'm at least 18 years old, and then I will apply. As simple as that. We are done with the application. As you can see, the application is now sending. Now we are going to get this pop-up. Thank you for filling out the form. You will soon receive an email from us with information about the next step in the application. If you do not see email, please check your spam folder or send us a message using this in email. So now we are going to check my email. So this is the first email I got after doing this application. Kindly note I did this application 21 hours ago. I recorded the first part, then I had some errands to run, so now I'm coming to finish the second part. But yes, that's why I've done this video in two parts. So the first thing you're going to do here is to verify the email. Yeah, I know I'll get somebody in my comment section asking why the email was sent 24 21 21 hours ago. As I have said, I'm doing this video in two parts because I first did the first part, then I had an errand to do. In fact, I was doing this yesterday. Now today is the next day, but we have to complete. So I have already filled this part. So the nationality here is so now we have already verified the email, so this is the additional information part. So the nationality is United States. The language I'm applying for is English. Of course, I'm a female. I'm not going to fill the second language part because I am not going to fill the second language part. Just know most Americans only speak one language, most of them. But if you can speak languages like Spanish, French, or something else, maybe you can fill that part. But honestly, I can only speak English and Swahili and my mother language. So and I don't think none of them is applicable in this case because now I don't think we have chat moderation in Swahili or in my mother tongue, so I'm not going to fill that part. Then I'm going to fill the date. Remember, as I said, you are going to be filling the details on the DL, on the driving license you have. So these are not my real details. These are the details on the DL I have. So what time are you best available for an interview and to work? So these parts were not ticked. I have ticked them. As you can see, they were like this. So I'm ticking everything because I'm not really sure what time is best to pick. So I'll just tick everything, and that's it. So as you can see, the information is 100% filled, and now I'm going to hit next step, and you will get this pop-up. Next, now you need to check your email for the next sorry, I have opened this email again. So this is the email you'll get. You have completed your sign up. After verification, we'll contact you and schedule a meeting for a training session. We look forward to working with you. Kind regards. Now, after this application has gone through, you need to wait for 24 to 48 hours for them to respond. If they don't respond at this point, you need to reapply again. And remember, after now this step, you need to go to verification. This is where you'll need your documents you're going to verify. So just go apply the same way I have shown you. Don't forget to use Mologging anti-detect browser and to use a proxy if you are in any country in Africa except South Africa. So if you're in Kenya, Tanzania, Nigeria, Ghana, or even Morocco, you need to use a proxy. Please don't use a VPN. A VPN will be detected and your application will not go through. Thank you for watching this Texting Factory application video. If you have any question, please comment down below. And good luck. Go apply and apply as many times as possible. As I have said, you might apply once, twice, thrice, and the applications don't go through. So keep applying. Don't give up, and don't forget to continue applying to cloud.